Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm gonna be cleaning out my fridge. My fridge is kind of a disaster, as is my kitchen right now. I feel like I have so many projects going on right now. Ignoring the fact that my kitchen is kind of a mess, I'm going to be cleaning my fridge. It's something that I have been needing to do. I try to do every few months, but unfortunately it just doesn't always work out. My goal after I clean it is to organize it. For now, I'm just gonna be going through our fridge, cleaning it out, organizing it, and showing you guys before and after. So our fridge is a French door fridge with a drawer freezer. That is a Lego alarm clock. I'm telling you guys, my house is kind of crazy right now. But Jackson is napping, Max is playing his video game, and this is my fridge. So already really cluttered, not very organized. I need to clean these out. This is where we normally keep fruit, but as you can tell, I've got some yuck nasties that I need to get out of there. And then I obviously need to toss some produce as it's getting pretty old. So I think these are probably a bust too. But we always have peppers, we always have onions. I just really didn't cook this much this week. As you can tell from this shelf right here, we have leftover Chinese food that I need to get rid of as well. I have kids snacks, I have cream cheese, I have ricotta cheese. For some reason, these pouches, I use reusable pouches to put kids' applesauce in, and for some reason these are wrapped in a paper towel, so I'm not sure. Yeah, it looks like they leaked. So Chris probably put these in a paper towel just to help. I have a lot more yogurt. I have applesauce. I have a million cartons of eggs, and I feel like the reason we keep so many cartons of eggs is because we forget to throw them out on trash day, and we don't want them just sit out there in the trash. We want to actually throw them out on trash day, so I feel like that's why there's so many cartons of eggs. I have chicken left over from Chris. He's been trying to eat healthier and pre-cook his chicken and then just grab it for lunch when he's ready to go in the morning for work. I have applesauce. Both these cartons of milk are expired as of yesterday, so I have to pour those out. I have another thing of applesauce. I have chicken stock that I need to toss. I have a soda container back there. I have old strawberries that really need to be thrown out. I have salsa, more cream cheese for bagels. Okay, in this drawer is where we keep most of our meats, cheeses, deli meats, cheese sticks, things like that, shredded cheese. So I really need to go through these bags, organize, figure out what's expired and what I can keep. And then later today I have to go pick up groceries. I ordered our groceries online, so I have to go pick those up later today. And up here is where I usually keep my butter. And then the drawers here is where I keep all of our other condiments. Alright, so now I've shown you guys exactly what's in my fridge. Now I'm going to take everything out, wipe everything down, and clean the inside of my fridge and reorganize it. I'll be washing and using all of the containers that I bought yesterday at the container store and reconfiguring the way that I organize my fridge. Okay, this is our finished fridge. I cleaned the outside completely. I also am using our magnetic divided bin for pictures, save the dates, invitations, cards, things like that. I just need to find my pen so I can put it in here so it can look really nice. I hope you guys enjoyed my fridge cleaning and organization video. I have all the products I got from the Container Store linked down in the description below. If you did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.